In this video, I'm going to show you how to view individual responses in SurveyMonkey. Now, the first thing you have to do when you sign into your account, go to the Home tab, All Surveys, and then click on the survey where you want to see the individual responses for. So I'm going to click on this first one over here. And then what you can do is just go to the top over here where you can see Analyze Results. Or what you could also do is basically on the tab where you can see, of course, all your surveys listed, you can click on Analyze Results over here and it's going to take you to the same page. Now in here you'll see there's going to be a bunch of different buttons on the page. You want to click on individual responses up top, and this is going to allow you to view individual responses either as a full-on table, which looks like this, or you could switch over to single, and this is going to allow you to basically see single responses, and you can go back and forth between them and see how they've answered, when they've started, when they last modified, etc. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.